Hey, Damon DeMarco here. Today I posted on Twitter about the 1946 Remington Noiseless Model 7 typewriter that I am in the process of restoring. I said that it is living up to its name. It is an incredibly noiseless or quiet machine. As a matter of fact, it's probably even a little too quiet for me. And people said, well, what does it sound like? So here's a quick video showing you that. So there you have it. I'm not sure if you're really getting a good idea of this because as I just listened back to the audio, it probably sounds very loud to you, but trust me, here in my studio, it does not sound loud at all. I have plenty of other typewriters here that are like twice, if not three times louder than this machine. The Remington Model 7 Noiseless is exactly like the Remington Model 1, which I've made lots of videos about. You can find them on my YouTube channel at createx3.com. It's called a silent machine or a noisy, noiseless machine because the hammers, they don't actually collide or smack the platen like most typewriters do. They just kind of go. They don't even touch it, really. They just dart in, they make the impression, they come back out again. Which is why on these two machines, the Remington Model 1 and the Remington Model 7, I probably go with the Smith Corona, personally. Silent Super, great machine, can't go wrong with it. But I hope that gives you an idea. I'll include a link in this tweet to all the other videos I've done about typewriters and other things creative in case that's of any interest to you.